In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add full color cards and covers in Trello. Let's jump right in by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is your central hub where all your projects live. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar or favorites to find the one you want to customize. The goal here is to make your board more visual and scannable at a glance. So start with the board that will benefit most from clearer color cues. Once you're on the boards page, click into the specific board you want to work on. Give it a moment to load so you can see all your lists. Each list groups related cards, so adding color at the list level is a powerful way to set context and draw attention without editing each card individually. Now, look at the top of the list you want to style and find the three dots on the list header. That opens the list's actions menu. This menu controls list-specific settings, and it's exactly where Trello puts appearance options that affect only that list. If your list titles are long, hover near the right side of the header to make the menu icon easier to spot. From that menu, click Change List Color. This is the control that lets you apply a solid color to the list. Trello applies the color instantly and it's reversible, so feel free to experiment. If you don't see the option, try widening your window or ensuring you have the latest interface. It should appear alongside other list actions. You'll now see a palette of colors. Choose the color that best communicates the list's purpose. For example, you might use green for done, blue for in progress, or a warm color for urgent work. When you pick a color, the list background updates, and cards in that list gain a clear visual context while maintaining readability. If a card already has a cover, Trello preserves that design while balancing contrast so titles remain legible. Aim for colors that stand apart from your label colors and backgrounds to avoid visual clutter. If accessibility is a concern, test a few shades for better contrast against text. After selecting a color, take a second to scan your board. You should notice how the colored list makes the cards feel more full color at a glance and helps your eyes land on what matters first. If something looks too loud or too subtle, open the same menu again and try another shade. This change saves automatically, so there's nothing else to confirm. Your board is now clearer, faster to read, and more engaging.